There everyone, today we got a Hisense T5 which we're going to replace the charging pin. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 screws. Once the screws are open, just go all around. You can hear that click click sound. That's for the locks, and there we go. Then you remove the touch. There's a reason behind making this video, you will know just now. Your side camera, volume and power button, your LCD, the reason behind making this video is this: it has this front light sensor and your speaker flexi next to it, and there is your touch flexi, so you can't possibly use the hot air station. So first we're going to remove this. Just use the soldering iron and do what I'm doing. Once the solder is loose, it will start coming off very easy. Sometimes it takes time. These things become stubborn. And if this becomes stubborn, then we'll tell you what to do. You put some solder and it shouldn't be that difficult now. Today it seems like it wants to test me. Here we go. Just put it aside. Clean it with the brush and thinner, so when we are putting it back, it should be nice. Remove any excess soldering. At this point, I'll rather remove this camera also. I don't want to damage anything with this phone. Pull it out. This side also. You can see that we can work on this side. First I'm going to put solder all around these points and this, and then I'm going to use very low heat so it can loosen it very quick, because we don't have much space here, so we have to be very careful with it. Heat you're going to use about 250 to 280, so it can just melt the solder that you have put it there. We'll clean it once it is removed, the charging pin. Now we can use the hot air. Just switched it on. Just keep the heat at lowest level as much as possible, like 250 around there, so you don't damage anything. And you know, because of that extra solder that we put, it shouldn't be that difficult to remove the charging pin. As you can see, it's out. It will take about a minute, half a minute to remove it on that type of heat. So now we're going to clean the points. So when we are putting the new charging pin, it should go easily and stick to it. When I'm putting it back, I'm not going to use the hot air station. I'm going to use only soldering iron. Just clean the points. Now we're going to put the charging pin. So now once it is clean, the reason of putting solder here was that on the other side you can also see the solder went through, and once you make it hot from that side, goes in smoothly. दसने होनी तो रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है. Sorry about that.
Oh, South Africa gemstone cost 2 kg.
So once it's gone in, which is not gone in properly yet, don't want to lengthen the video, you just got an idea what to do with it. So just these 4 legs must sit properly in there. You can see there now this is fitting proper, and now I'm going to solder. If you have a very thin charging saying the tip soldering iron, it shouldn't be a problem to solder like that, but in case it gets joined, then you have to see that it doesn't get short. The pins, they don't get short, they don't touch each other. If they do, you have to make sure that they're not touching each other. But if you have a thin soldering iron, the tip is thin, it shouldn't be a problem. I'll just clean it so you can see it clearly that it's connected properly, not touching to each other. I hope you can see it, that it's connected properly and not touching each other. Now I'm going to put that speaker flexi back. Just put a little bit of flux or paste. Wasn't that difficult to put it back, and I missed one print, I think so. Yeah, I jumped one print. Once two lines are soldered, then the other one you can just do it simply, easily. just to make sure that they are connecting proper. Shouldn't be touching, the points shouldn't be touching each other.
This one is 32 each meter. How many meter you want?
If you can see it, soldered properly. Now it's time to test it. I've tested with the meter already. There are charging volts. But now I'm just quickly going to reassemble so I can show you guys that it's working.
The same, no difference. The 6 meter is.
The battery of the phone is very low, so I'm just gonna show you on the meter that it's working. As you can see, that full voltage is there, the phone has power. I'm gonna put it on charging and leave it. If not, then I'm gonna boost it. The battery is complete dead. I don't know for how long this phone has been like that. So this is how you change the charging pin on a T5 or the one that has a speaker flexi around it. You just have to be extra careful and look at it, that how things that you need to remove and do the job properly. Thank you very much. Until next time, goodbye. I hope this helped you to learn something, and please subscribe my channel, share my videos and stuff like that. Thank you very much. Until next time, goodbye.